Hello everyone, welcome back to Cruxweld. Today we are going to explore one of the most advanced and versatile welding and cutting carriage, the flexible rail track. The flexible rail welding and cutting carriage with multi-mode oscillation patterns. If you are looking for increased welding productivity, improve bead quality, reduce operator fatigue, and ensure continuous and uniform welding, this Dynaflex 100S unit is designed for semi-automatic and automatic welding and cutting, and it delivers continuous results without stopping. It runs on flexible track, which means you can place it on straight surface, straight surfaces, cylindrical surfaces, and curved surfaces, pipelines, pressure vessels, and even complex surfaces. The biggest advantage, once the rail is fixed, the movement remains perfectly smooth and stable. It gives you uniform speed, accurate torque positioning, and repeatable weld quality every time. Let's quickly go through the top features that makes this stand. Bead width and oscillation amplitude can be adjusted precisely. Digital control panel. Simple interface to control oscillation speed, dwell time, left-right pose, multi-mode oscillation patterns. You can select different oscillation modes based on joint type. V groove, U groove, corner joints, horizontal, vertical, fillet, and flat welds. Carriage travel speed and torch angle. Flexible aluminum rail, adjustable on flat, round, and irregular surfaces. High magnetic, vacuum, clamp mounting compatibility. Universal torch holder, compatible with MIG, MAG, TIG, SAW, and plasma torch. Cutting torch can also be mounted for straight cutting operations. Continuous travel for long welds, no need to stop for every joint, smooth and uninterrupted run. High welding productivity. This Dynaflex 100S can go up to 3 times faster output compared to manual welding, with less fatigue and higher precision. Now we are going to show you real welding and cutting shots. This welding and cutting carriage is widely used in tank and pressure vessels, pipeline fabrication, shipbuilding and offshore welds, heavy machinery and steel structures, manufacturing plants and welding automation setups. If your workshop deals with repeated long welds, this machine is not just useful, it becomes a necessity. Now we are going to start the live demonstration. We have already mounted the flexible rail and positioned the torch. Here on the control panel, we are selecting travel speed, oscillation pattern, bead width, left and right dwell time. Once the settings are done, we are simply press start and you can see the cutting carriage begins welding smoothly, continuously and uniform throughout the joint. Notice the bead width consistent with Notice the bead quality, consistent with perfect penetration, no necessary spatter and no variation in speed. This kind of precision is very difficult to achieve manually for a long weld. So this was the flexible rail welding and cutting carriage with multi-mode oscillation patterns. So this was the flexible rail welding and cutting carriage with multi-mode oscillation patterns. If you are aiming for improved quality, reduced cost, faster output, and a more professional welding result, automation like this. If you are aiming for improved quality, reduced cost, faster output, and a more professional welding result, automation like this is the one. This is the best solution for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share and comment us your query. And for more information, you can visit our site www.cruxweld.com. Thank you.